All right, guys, so just as promised, we are now going to talk about what it takes to score a 1 and to score a 3.
Strategies. The language components for a 4 are strong diction and a variety of sentences. So how does a student go about scoring either a 1 or a 3? Let's talk about those discrepancies. A 1 is earned when any of the score 2 components are missing. Let's say you have an essay with a thesis and attempted development, but for some reason you just can't get through that essay without stopping because of the mechanics or the spelling or the grammar. That essay will earn a 1. If any of these 3 components are missing, that essay will automatically score a 1 according to the rubric and according to the sample released essays on the TAA website. A score point 3 is really an embellishment of score point 2, or essays that attempt to earn a score point 4. A score point 3, for example, have a focused progression of ideas stemming from that thesis statement they wrote. They also have well-developed ideas, not just attempted development of ideas. In addition to that, not only is it fluent, but it's also very clear. So score point 3 essays are very successful essays that really take the score point 2 to the next level. Another way of looking at that is looking at score point 4s. When students attempt to earn a score point 4 and fall short of the red elements here, they really earn a score point 3. And I'll go ahead and provide you a visual for that in just a moment. You have access to this handout that has been provided to you with the link to this webinar. This is another way to kind of see a flow chart and allow you to kind of quickly and accurately go through each possible score so that you can determine what the best score is for that essay. We already talked about the non-negotiables for the 2, which is your thesis, attempted development, and fluency. These are just guiding questions to kind of get you to realize whether it's present or not. If the 2 elements are present, you move on to the 3. Does it have the focus progression? Does it have a well-developed ideas? And is it clear? If that's the case, that student has earned a 3 when all the elements of the 2 are present, including the 3. If that student, however, moves on to also include insightful elements and rhetorical structures for either the persuasive or the expository essay, including the language components of strong diction and sentence variety, that student will earn a 4. If, however, they fail any of these components, they automatically move back to the previous level. For those of you that have seen this flow chart with a short answer, it pretty much runs the same way. A student cannot move down to the next level of scores unless all components are present. And of course, these are all taken from the rubric and the sample state. Okay, so what we're going to do is kind of calibrate a little.
Okay, so we're going to stop there on this part. And today I'm going to ask that you guys give me a brief summary of the differences between 2 and 3, and then the differences between 3 and 4.